Welcome to today's episode. We're going to make this recipe that my teacher gave me. The ingredients you need are vanilla, cinnamon, salt, baking powder, honey, an egg, canola oil, flour, and sugar. We're going to make it gluten-free. First step, in a small bowl, beat together 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure you beat it together. Next, beat an egg. Next, add 3 tablespoons of honey, and 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla and extract. Put that aside. Now get a smaller bowl and put 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour in. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And mix together. Now add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Cookies on a greased cookie sheet and put them in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. The cookies are